Introducing the 2021 Volkswagen Id.3 Puro 150 kW Tech 58 kW 5 door auto, the ultimate electric estate car with top-of-the-line features. Cruise and comfort, with air conditioning, satellite navigation, and ambient lighting. Stay safe with multiple airbags, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. Enjoy the convenience of wireless charging, voice control, and remote audio controls. This sleek grey vehicle is not only stylish, but incredibly secure with privacy glass and a 360 view camera. Plus, it comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this incredible ride. Contact us today at spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information.